Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. A new document has made its way online which contains some of the code for the next and first feature update rolling out for Windows 11 later on this year. And this leaked code basically suggests, believe it or not, that the next version of Windows 11, which will roll out in the latter half of this year, 2022, is almost ready and nearing completion and being ready to start being tested over in the Insider program. So as I mentioned, things are happening quite fast. Now, as you can see, there is a lot going on here in this code. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to summarize this as quickly and as simply as I can. Now, this code suggests that there are two steps that are going to take place now quite quickly before that next version gets rolled out to insiders for testing before it makes it to the final version rolling out in that first feature update for Windows 11 later this year. Now, the code suggests that the core of Windows 11's current development will have to have all its features complete by the 4th of February this year. So that's just around the corner. At the time of posting this video, we are already on the 25th of January in my region of the world. So that's going to happen quite soon. And then a month later, the document tells us that all the configuration, which I would call all the stuff going on under the hood, would have to be complete. So you've got two steps. The 4th of February would be all the features would be complete, and the 4th of March, all your configuration and all your stuff going on under the hood and behind the scenes would have to be complete. And then there's no time frame given and in this code, but you know, it would be expected that then that Microsoft would roll that out to the dev channel, to insiders for testing starting in the dev channel, and then that version of Windows would make its way through the insider program to final release later on this year, in the latter half of this year. Now, I have posted some videos regarding this, but just to sum up very quickly, that we are expecting one feature update for both Windows 10 and 11 now moving forward. And the Windows 11 feature update will be rolling out in October later this year, and no later than November if it doesn't make that October release, and will be called Windows 11 version 22H2. Now, the 22 means that's the year the version rolled out, and the H2 means it's rolling out in the second half of the year. And we are expecting that version to be called Sun Valley 2, where currently the stable version is just called Sun Valley. So Sun Valley 2, Windows 11 version 22H2 will be rolling out October, no later than November this year. And just to mention again, just to sum up very quickly, that final version is almost ready to be rolled out to insiders for testing, where the features will have to be complete for the development side of things by the 4th of February, according to this leak code. And then all the configuration, the behind the scenes and stuff going on behind the hood to the operating system will have to be complete by the 4th of March. And then it moves to the insider program for testing. And then obviously that would make its way to final release in that Windows 11 version 22H2. And also, as I have mentioned in some videos previously, not all the features we currently see in the insider program, the dev beta channel, will actually make its way into that final build. This code does not give us any indication of what we are actually going to see feature-wise roll out in that feature update version 22H2. And Microsoft has also said and mentioned in the past that features being tested in the insider program, the dev beta channel, are not build and version specific. So at this stage, we don't exactly know, and we have some indication, but we don't know exactly what final features, new features, will actually roll out in that first feature update for Windows 11 version 22H2 rolling out later this year. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.